Hi guys, next lock that we're going to pick is this GERA lock. That's the key. That's the half cylinder that I have. It's a pin tumbler lock. The other part I've removed because I don't really need. Works great. And it's a 6-cylinder lock. 6-pin lock, sorry. What I've noticed about it's Yale style QA, but it's very wide, so you can put a very thick pin inside and a deep one as well. I do believe there are some serrated pins inside, and this lock in particular puts really a lot of fight. I got it last year on one of my trips to Germany, and I have to tell you, since then it's been messing with my head. I just can't feel anything inside. I just hear some clicking, some crunching, but that's it. Till tonight I managed to actually pick it, and now I'm trying to repeat this success so that I can share it with you. I think this GERA brand, what I remember from the packaging, it was something from the ISEO, and it was some higher quality ISEO lock. So what I remember was that there were 4 levels of security, and this particular one provided the maximum. And I have to agree with them. This is a really pesky lock. So let's have a look. 2, no, 3. Did hear some clicking. 4, 5. Come on, number 6 maybe. Let's try once again, shall we? Starting from the front. Okay, there was one click. I'll leave it like that, because if it's serrated as I believe they are, that's all it needs. One seems to be set. Okay, the cord just moved a hair. I don't know if you saw it, but moved just a hair. Let's see. What else can we do? Can give another set. I really have to say the precision of this lock is really good. again. Okay, we got a small false set finally. The other one moved the core before I said, but was not sure if it really did anything. Two, three, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, finally we have some deeper false set. Maybe, just maybe, there are spools and serrated inside. I really don't know if I'm able to pick it now. Okay, that's a spool definitely. And open, finally. Okay guys, let's see if we can get it real quick, because we're already on 7 minutes. So I will lock it up because I have the key, and this is not a C-clip, it's a ring which I need to press, and hopefully it will come out. Okay, so I did press it, let's see if it comes out now. Cool. Please come out. Finally I will see what's been bugging me all this time. Come on, ring, please. Okay. It's out. Cool. So, key into this temporary. That's the key, and we will use it as a follower. Okay, pins are here, so let's see. Number 1, standard. Number 2, spool. 3 is a like a serrated spool. 4 is a standard. Come on, don't go out on me now. Looks like a standard. And another standard. Okay, let's remove this thing. Start again from the back. Standard, keep in. Standard. 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 Oops. Well, these are the drill bits. And the standard. Okay, let me quickly push this into place. Here's my tweezers. So beside the standard pins, which are most of them, there are only 2 spools, but they are serrated spools. I'll show you something that is, here we go. That's the serrated spool. Really nice, never seen this before, and believe me, this is a nasty spool. It gives me so much confusion that I was really frustrated in picking it, but there we go. That's it. And just a very quick check. No, there's no counter milling on the core. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Sorry it took so long. Keep it safe, keep it Lego. Cheers.